Hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the members and groups area of the Yearbook Builder. So if we click on members and groups on the left-hand menu, you'll see that this gives you a number of options to organise your members and your profile groups within the book. So depending on how you've decided to create your book, you'll have the option of either adding and inviting members to join and fill in their own profiles, or you'll be collecting the information yourselves and doing it manually yourself. So first things first, let's have a quick look at profile groups. So profile groups are how you organise your members within the book. You can either set them up as we have here as 6A, 6B, for example, as your form groups, or you could have a profile group called students, in which case all the students would join one profile group. And you could perhaps have another one that's teachers, that the teachers could join if you're having teachers in the book as well. And to do this, you simply click on Add Profile Group, type in the profile group name that you'd like, and then click Add to Yearbook. So if we add in 6C, Add to Yearbook, you'll see that this then pops up underneath here. So depending on how you're going to be collecting your information, if you click on to add or invite members, you can either invite members by email or you can add members and editors manually. So if you click on invite by email, you can then paste a list of email addresses into the box and then send invitations to all of the members. They will then be able to log in using the link here and the invitation code and fill in the information themselves. So when they log in, we do have another video that shows you what members see when they log in, and they'll be able to upload their profile images and answer any profile questions that you've set, which we do have another video about as well. The other option is to add or invite members and editors manually. So if you click Add Members and Editors manually, you can put in the forename and surname, select which profile group you'd like them to be in, and then you can either leave it as member won't be logging in if you're going to be doing it manually, or if you're not sure, you can add their email in, or if you don't know, the system will generate an AYB email for them, which you can then send them if you want them to log in the future. Then when you click Add Member, they will then show up in the members and groups area under whichever profile group you've selected. With the profile questions, if you click on profile questions on the left hand side, you can add your question, click add, and it will show up on the list here. You've then got the option of choosing who you'd like to ask, so just students, just teachers, everyone, or if you'd like to get rid of the question, you can just click on no one and that will be deleted. It also gives you the option to choose whether you'd like the question and the answer printed in the book, or just the answer. Once you've set all of those up, click Save Changes, and then when your members log in or when you go to fill in the information yourselves, those profile questions will appear for whoever you've set them for. If you've added in content or one of your members has added in content and you need to make any changes, if you click on their forename, it will give you an overview of their profile, so you're able to change their name, move or remove their profile. If perhaps they've been put into the wrong profile group, you can move them along and just click Save. You can edit answers to all of their profile questions that they've answered, or you can obviously add in that information yourself if you're doing it manually. You can promote members to editors if you want to, or you can block and delete members if perhaps they've made multiple profiles or there's somebody who doesn't wish to be in the book anymore. It also gives you the option to change pictures that you can click in here and click Add Pics and you can upload images. So that's just a quick tour of the members and groups area. If you have any other questions or if you need any more assistance, by all means click on the bottom right chat window and send us a little message, or you can also arrange a call and we'll be able to talk you through it. We also have another series of YouTube videos online that you can access that will talk you through the different areas of the book. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to speak to you soon.